Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to style your high ponytail with 4-strand braid. All you need to do is tie your hair to create a high ponytail and then take a nice section of hair from this part of the ponytail and divide it in 4 strands like this. I'm gonna start the braid from the left side. The first strand will go under the second, then over the third, and then again under the fourth. Now the fourth piece of hair will pass under the next and then again over the last piece. While repeating the same pattern, I'll add a small piece of hair from the left side of the ponytail to create a 4-strand lace braid. Keep following the same pattern until the desired length of your 4-strand lace braid. When you are finished, slide up the braid by pulling the second strand as we named in the beginning. Now secure the braid with any band of your choice. I hope you guys will like this unique ponytail hairstyle. Do leave your comments in the comment box below as it will help me a lot improve the quality of my work. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell button for more videos. Thanks for watching the video.